The brand new ROG Ally X has already hit the market, and at first glance, it doesn't seem very different from last year's ROG Ally Z1 Extreme. Aside from the color, last year's model brought a fresh excitement to gaming by making Xbox, PC, and Steam games portable. And that concept still holds strong with the ROG Ally X. In this video, the focus will be on comparing the two models to see what has changed and whether the differences make the ROG Ally X worth upgrading to. This year's ROG Ally X keeps the same Z1 Extreme processor and the popular 7-inch touchscreen from the previous model. Asus decided not to change these key features, sticking to the idea that if something works well, there's no need to alter it. However, there are some external improvements that enhance the user experience. For instance, the ROG Ally X now includes 2 USB-C ports, an upgrade that will be useful for those who use the device for more than just gaming, allowing for additional peripherals or external storage. The microSD card slot has been relocated due to previous overheating issues, a change that will benefit those who use extra storage. The new model also features a better quality D-pad, with improved materials and more precise directional control, which is crucial for gaming. The ROG Ally X is slightly taller than the Z1 Extreme, but is more compact in length and width. While these differences may seem small, they have a noticeable impact during longer gaming sessions. After 30 minutes, the new design feels more comfortable, reducing hand cramps and fatigue, especially for those with larger hands. Internally, Asus focused on significant upgrades, starting with storage. The ROG Ally X now comes with a 1TB SSD, double the storage of last year's model, allowing for more games without needing to delete old ones. Additionally, the RAM has been upgraded to 24GB from 16GB, ensuring smoother performance even with demanding games. These improvements make the ROG Ally X a solid choice for those seeking enhanced gaming performance. In terms of performance, the ROG Ally X addresses 2 major issues that were present in last year's Z1 Extreme: battery life and overheating. Previously, using the device in max performance mode for 15 to 20 minutes caused it to become very hot, especially around the vents. Even when the Z1 Extreme was in standby mode, the vents remained warm. However, with the ROG Ally X, there is no significant heat buildup, even when the device is running at full capacity for extended periods. This improvement makes the device much safer and more comfortable to use, even during long gaming sessions. Battery life has also seen a major upgrade, making it impractical for handheld gaming. In contrast, the ROG Ally X has doubled the battery life, allowing for about an hour of continuous online gameplay at maximum performance. For average gaming, the battery life has increased from 51 minutes to over 2 hours, which is more than double the previous model's capacity. In real-world testing, the device comfortably lasts around an hour and 10 to 15 minutes on max performance mode, which is a significant improvement for a handheld device. Finally, the ROG Ally X comes in a sleek black color, contrasting with the white design of the Z1 Extreme. For those who prefer black electronics that blend in with other tech devices, the ROG Ally X offers a more cohesive and stylish appearance. Last year's ROG Ally Z1 Extreme was a first-generation product, so major changes weren't expected with this year's ROG Ally X. Initially, it seemed like Asus only updated the color, but after using the device and reviewing the specs, it became clear that this is a significant upgrade. Asus has doubled the internal power, making the ROG Ally X a much more robust and capable device than its predecessor, which is impressive for a second-generation product. However, deciding whether to upgrade isn't a simple choice. It depends on what kind of gamer you are. The ROG Ally X is designed for handheld gamers who want longer gaming sessions without interruptions. If last year's model left you frustrated with its battery life, storage capacity, or comfort during extended play, the ROG Ally X is a worthy upgrade. It offers more power, better battery life, and improved ergonomics, making it ideal for serious handheld gamers. On the other hand, if you own the Z1 Extreme and find that you play less frequently now, or only for short sessions, you may not need the upgrades offered by the ROG Ally X. The Z1 Extreme still provides enough performance for casual gaming, and its battery life will suffice for shorter play sessions. For those who have shifted to PC gaming at a desk, the Z1 Extreme remains a good fit. But if gaming on the go is becoming more important, the ROG Ally X is a significant improvement and a worthwhile replacement for the Z1 Extreme. That wraps up this review. If you have any questions about the ROG Ally X, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.